Greetings. I would like to express my gratitude to all of you for choosing to take this short course in the fundamentals of sound. I'm here to tell you all about how humans hear sound and how sound is propagated through space. Sound needs to travel through a medium. This medium could be water, could be air, could be gas. However, sound cannot travel through a vacuum. I mean, look at this. Look how small it is. Can't even imagine having a conversation in here. Let's take air, for instance. Air looks like nothing. But in reality, air is full of millions of tiny molecules. The air in this room collectively weighs about 160 pounds. The air in the bathroom weighs probably about 80 pounds. This one time I was in this one room, it had to be like 500 pounds of air. I don't even know. It's a lot of air. These molecules are always hitting your eardrums at a constant, normal speed, and this is what we call silence.
In silence, the air molecules are actually moving very fast. So fast, in fact, that they have the same collective kinetic energy as 7 cars going 100 miles an hour.
When a sound happens, the object that makes the sound moves the air molecules towards your eardrums faster. In a higher pitched sound, these air molecules move towards your eardrums very fast. For example, the sound of the shattering of this very expensive wine glass. Lower sounds actually move the air molecules more slowly, and this is felt in your chest cavity as opposed to your eardrums. Did you know you could tell how angry a person is by how low their voice is? Humans can only hear a certain range of sounds. From here to here.
Dogs hear things more like this, since their range of hearing is shifted higher than humans.
And this actually reminds me of my impression of a Labrador Retriever, which I've been working on for some time.
The motion of the medium makes a difference too. If wind is involved, the air molecules will not hit your ears in a uniform fashion.
The speed of sound is roughly 770 miles per hour, much slower than the speed of light. Therefore, we see things before we hear them. And we're used to this. If the sound and light registered at the same time, it would be really weird. Like this. To be or not to be? That is the question. Whether 'tis nobler in the mind to suffer slings and arrows of outrageous fortune, or to die, to sleep no more. Despite all the mismatches with sight, sound, and touch, occasionally these three senses come together perfectly and form a perfect union. We call this a savvy moment. Although very rare, it has been known to change the lives of anyone who experiences it. The Mayans predict the next savvy moment to occur
Saturday at noon, Summer Camp Music Festival camping stage.
I want to sincerely thank all of you for joining me on this short talk on the fundamentals of sound. Now, I'm going to leave y'all with a jam.
If I leave here tomorrow, now would you still remember me? 'cause I'm free as a bird now. Oh, and this bird is so fucking free.